Alright, well, like old man Winter's back. Let's go see how old Blue's doing. Oh yeah. Well, snowed in today. A good time to do some projects down in the basement, so let's get going. Remember when I said that this tool holder is too big? Figured, what the heck? Let's build one. I went to the scrap pile and I came across this right here. And lo and behold, it's perfect. So, gonna machine it out to fit it. But I do this, gotta glue it up and take some measurements. Alright, now I got the Dykem all set up here. Now, gonna take some measurements. Yep. Then scratch that off. And I'm going to cut this part off. So that means it's time to fire up the power hacksaw. Alright, got everything set up here, so here we go. Of course, you know, this thing's so slow, it's like watching paint dry. But it's okay. Not in a hurry. No deadline. No boss breathing down my neck. Here we go, look at that. That's nice. Right on the line too. Perfect. Okay, now put her on the Atlas milling machine. Alright, well. So there we go. It's a nice clean finish. Alright, well, that's all for this episode. I gotta get ready to go to bed so I can get up and go to work tomorrow. So, if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap that notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. Alright, later.